Welcome to Plutus IAS. Today we are going to discuss a previous year question of UPSC Maths optional of topic is modern algebra, and that means of paper 2. So question is, give an example of a group in which every proper subgroup is cyclic but the group itself is not cyclic. This is a PYQ 2011 or 12, that is up to 15 marks. 15 marks of question. So give an example of a group. We have to give an example of a group in which every proper subgroups. What is the proper subgroup is cyclic, but the group itself is not cyclic. So what are the cyclic group? Cyclic group, a group which is generated by a single element, is called a cyclic group. And so can you think any example? So if you think, then we can get the Klein's 4 group. We know about the Klein's 4 group, that is the V4. It's called the Klein's 4 group, where elements are E, A, B, C, and how to define here: A square, B square, C square equal to identity, and this is a Klein's 4 group. And what are the subgroups? The Klein's 4 group. Klein's 4 group V4. And what are the subgroups? And you have defined AB equal to C. So operation defined as the E is the identity: A square, B square, C square equal to E, AOB equal to C, and obviously BOA abelian group. This is abelian group, and similarly A operation C equal to B, and so on. So like this, so on. So this is a group, Klein's 4 group. So what are the subgroups? Subgroups of V4 are, how many subgroups? H1 equal to, one subgroup is the identity, second is the EA, S3, EB, one more is the E, C is also subgroup, and last one is the EABC. So Klein's 4 group has 5 subgroups total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where this is called the trivial subgroup, improper subgroup, and non-trivial proper subgroup. But question says every proper subgroup. So obviously this is trivial but proper. So these four are the proper subgroups of Klein's 4 group. So now we can clearly see that all are cyclic subgroup, as this subgroup is obviously generated by E, this subgroup is generated by A, as you can write A and A square equal to identity. This subgroup is generated by B, this subgroup is generated by C, and obviously this is generated by the identity itself. That means these are the subgroups generated by single elements. So all the 4 proper subgroups of Klein's 4 group are cyclic. That means cyclic subgroups. Okay, cyclic subgroup. But the group is not a cyclic group. V4 is not a cyclic group, as there is no element of order 4 in V4. So if V4, when V4 will be, our Klein's 4 group will be cyclic group if we have an element which generate the Klein's 4 group. That means at least one element of order 4 we need here, but there is no element of order 4, so that is not a cyclic group. V4 is not a cyclic group. So simple, you have to give the only example. So give an example of a group in which every proper subgroup is cyclic but the group itself is not cyclic. So example is the Klein's 4 group, whose every proper subgroups are a cyclic subgroup but group itself is not a cyclic group. So we will discuss more about the more PYQ in the upcoming videos. Thank you.